Hi, this is Angela Clark, CEO of RAFFA International Development Agency, here to give you day two's installment of the Great Commission to Ghana. So yes, we're here in Ghana supporting the Second Chance mission, Great Commission, let me say, and it really does feel like a great achievement. We're here to support the opening of the Outreach Centre here in Accra. And today we went to the centre. There was so much to do, so many things to get together, sorting out the office, sorting out the resource centre itself, the training rooms, and just making sure that things were put together. We had to unpack, assemble furniture, tables, sort out chairs, clean, all sorts of things. But collaboratively, we worked together. And I'm pleased to say that by the end of the day, the way that the place looked, it wasn't how it did when we first walked in there in the morning. But so it was a day well spent, and I tell you, it's just a fantastic achievement. Melanie Hamilton and the team at Second Chance, RAFFA, applauds you. We commend you for the work that you've done so far. We actually commend you for getting it to this stage, and it's been great to be on this journey with you. And yeah, it's been great. I am shattered, but pleased at the same time, because it has been so rewarding. I mean, even when we came back to the hotel and we had dinner, after that we had to get together again and get 120 bags, gift bags together for the children, because tomorrow we are planning to go to the orphanage to bring them the supplies that we've brought over. If you remember yesterday when I spoke, I said that we had brought 22 cases from the UK to Ghana. Now that is just a phenomenal achievement, and British Airways, I have to give you a shout, because you actually enabled us to bring those extra cases at no extra cost. So yeah, you are also to be commended for the support that you have given to us as well. So yeah, it's been great. I'm tired, but it is a good tired. I feel like a lot has been achieved. So it's only day two, and I will get the pictures because I don't have them right now, but I will definitely have the pictures for you so that you can see the work that's been done. Yeah, so stay tuned for day three. Great work today, guys. Take care. See you later.